бачиш, такими плитами вони хочуть проти нас воювати, їбать.
We have seen it many times, and we are seeing it again. Russian Mobiks are nothing but cannon fodder. They're sent on suicidal infantry assaults with body armor like this, small pieces of metal joined with adhesive tape. BTR-82 destroyed by the 92nd Mechanized Brigade in Luhansk. And destroyed Mazda SM2.
Стреляли.
66th Brigade destroying Russian armor. A Slovenian M55S tank in Ukrainian service. Soldier complain about conditions in Russian army. Spoiler, he volunteered for the war, and now they write a report on him that he drinks.
Саня, нос покажи.
Я картошку взял. Ну, это чё, ну, за хуйня? Товарищ Чибис, я пришел сам лично на войну.
Добровольцев.
А на меня, ну, рапорт пишет, что я пью. Так ничему не учат, я стрелял 2 раза. Ну, разберись, нахуй.
Или жить в этом говне, ёпта. Без дверей, без нихуя. Без крыши, блядь. Снег идет. Нормально ходит.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.